Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a katana. First, the journey begins with tama-making, a special steel smelted in a tatara furnace. This raw steel is broken into small pieces and then carefully stacked and forge-welded. The steel is repeatedly folded, often 15 times or more, to remove impurities and create a homogeneous material. This intricate process results in tens of thousands of layers, giving the blade its exceptional strength and flexibility. Next, the master smith meticulously hammers the folded steel into the rough shape of the katana. This involves careful shaping of the tip, spine, and edge. A crucial step is applying a special clay mixture to the blade. A thick layer covers the spine, while a thin layer is applied to the edge. This preparation is essential for the differential hardening process, which gives the katana its unique properties and the beautiful hamon. After the clay application, the blade is heated to a precise temperature, around 750 degrees Celsius, and then rapidly quenched in water. This sudden cooling hardens the edge, while the thicker clay on the spine allows it to cool slower, remaining tougher. Following this, the blade undergoes a lengthy and meticulous polishing process, often taking several hundred hours, to bring out the hamon and the steel's intricate grain. Finally, the polished blade is fitted with its kashiri, or mountings. This includes the tsuka, or handle, which is wrapped with ray skin and then tightly bound with silk cord. The tsuba, or handguard, and other fittings are carefully selected and fitted. The saya, or scabbard, is custom-made to perfectly house the blade. Each component is meticulously crafted and assembled, ensuring a balanced and functional weapon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.